how to change the Samsung high contrast keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. And from here, tap on general management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down. And in here, tap on high contrast keyboard. Tap on the left hand side panel. Now in here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can choose the different contrast. So here we can select a different contrast keyboard. And that's it. Choose the one that you like to use. And after that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.